What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. This is the Sandworm, and today we're going to be installing something that I've looked at for a while and I just couldn't settle on one that I liked. But I finally found a dash camera that I think you all will like. I know I definitely like it because it's sleek, you're not going to see any wires, and it fits like it's OEM, so it's like a stealth dash cam almost. So we're gonna go ahead and roll the intro and then we'll unbox it. So I actually got a little overly excited when this arrived because I've been looking forward to this one. So I kind of already opened it and tore through everything. So I'm just going to show you what's in the box. Not a true unboxing. But anyways, you have the user manual for the app that you'll download. And then the main component here is going to be the dash camera. And some of you might be thinking this looks a little big at the moment, but what this is a whole OEM replacement for the plastic surrounding your rear view mirror. So you're gonna pop all the plastic off that's surrounding the rear view mirror inside the cab, and then you will replace it with this. And what's great about this is, you know, some people will hardwire their stuff, battery operate it. So what this comes with is, you see in here you have this cord that goes straight to the camera. So in this box, after you pop the plastic off, you are going to plug in, you're going to unplug the wires that are in the plastic in the truck, the factory ones. You will plug the factory harness into this end, and then this will plug into the previous spot that the factory harness was plugged into, and then it pretty much splits it so you can plug in your camera and you have all-time power. And it even comes with a little trim tool to pop off the plastic. Theoretically, this should take like 10 minutes. We've all been there. We all say projects should take, you know, less time than they should. They even send you a little SD card reader with USB type A and USB type C, so that's handy, so you can download your videos and stuff. This camera, what's cool about it is it's 4K, it has built-in Wi-Fi. You can mess with the settings through the app and everything. I'm pretty sure, I haven't messed with the app yet, we're going to go over that, but I'm pretty sure you can set it up to be like motion detected, stay on all the time, this and that, and there are some buttons on it for some different modes that you can just press. We're going to test that out. We're going to install it, and then we're going to get some actual live video. I'm going to get some daytime video of the dash camera, and then we'll go out to night and get some nighttime video, see how the quality is. Super stoked about this just because it's going to look all sleek and nice, and I'm definitely OCD when it comes to wiring stuff. I don't want to see any wires whatsoever, so this is going to be great. But anyways, let's go ahead, and I guess I didn't tell you where it came from. It came from Fitcamx.com. I looked today. As of today, the original price is like $220. They're on sale for like 180 something. I don't know how long that sale will last, but there are accessories, so you can buy this with, I just have the front facing camera, but you can get the front, the cab plus rear camera, all like in a package if you wanted, or you could do just the front and rear without the cab. I just have the front. I might add in the rear later. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop to the installation of this. We'll see if it's quick and easy or not. I guess I'm here to test it and show you guys, and I'll have all the links to this stuff below. As far as I can tell, there's no tools that are going to be involved other than the trim tool that they send you, so it should be pretty straightforward. And let's go ahead and get started on that. So one good thing about this is you can look at it to kind of see where the clips would be on your factory one. So you can see that there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4 areas where you're going to need to use the trim tool. And then you actually take this, there's these 2 little clips right here for those asking how you get this around your rear view mirror. There's actually 2 clips that you're going to push in and pop this out like that. So this will slide right over where your rear view mirror attaches, and the same goes for your OEM one when you pull that off. So it'll come off in sections. So we're going to go ahead and split that up. We're going to take the trim tool here and see, this should pop off easy. Yep, already popped off. Okay, so this pops off super easy. Yep, just like that. And then make sure you get the bottom down here as well. I don't want to break anything because I always recommend to people keep your factory parts just in case, you know. So I don't want to break anything on the factory. This is just going to go in my storage where I keep all my factory bulbs that are replaced with LEDs, everything like that. And then this should just, looks like I missed one. There we go. Okay, now this should just pull down like so. And it looks like it did. Now, you are working in kind of a tight area right here, so just be careful with that. So, like I showed you, you had those clips to move out the centerpiece, so we're gonna work that out of here. And just like that, that pops out, and pop out the plastic piece. So what I'm going to do is snap this back in so I can save this in case I ever need it again for some reason. I recommend this to everybody to do this. Now what we're going to do is there's this wiring harness right here that we are going to unplug, because that's going to plug into the dash camera one, and then the dash camera one will plug back into there, which will then give us a split cable to plug into our camera. There's this bottom one right here. This is the one you want. Yep, that one. Right there. That one pulled out easy. Make sure it matches up. Yep. And so this factory one should plug straight back into the aftermarket one. Yep, like that. This one will plug right back into the OEM slot. And then the end that's split, the round end, is going to plug into your camera. And there are arrows to line this up so you can lock them into place. All right, so that's locked in there. Now we just got to work this cable around the mirror. And, oh, I'm going in backwards, that's why. Tilt this mirror down. Get some cable management up in here, try to hide all these cables, make sure they fit, and then we should be able to just snap this back into place as long as all the cables are good. All right, I think we're in. Okay, so we got the dash camera in. Here is the OEM plastic. There's the aftermarket plastic with the dash camera. I will say it does not fit as snug as the factory, but the factory wiggles a little bit too, so it's not like a huge deal. I'm going to download the app so I can show you guys the app, and then we'll test it out. Okay guys, so got it all hooked up, got the app downloaded. I don't really need to show you the app because it's so simple to use. Pretty much you download the app, you connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. So if you have a GoPro, same thing, and you can see the live stream on there and everything. You can change the settings, so it does go up to 4K. I do have it one down from 4K. So it does do that. You can set it up to, it's constantly looping when you're driving. So like every 3 minutes it restarts the loop, so it's recording 3-minute long videos, and then it'll overwrite the old videos because it does have a 64 gigabyte. But you can download the videos straight from there onto your phone. You don't have to take out the SD card or anything, which is great. This option of camera does not record with the truck off because it's plugged into that mirror and that sensor up there in the windshield. So it only comes on when the truck's running. They do, however, sell the fuse taps and the OBD port taps if you do want it to come on when it's parked, because there is a setting in there, like the Sentry mode. So if you want that setting, you might want to get the OBD port cord with it, and then, or the fuse tap. Maybe I'll upgrade to a fuse tap at some point, but super simple to use. I'm just bummed that, I mean, that's not their fault. It's just this mirror and sensors and stuff don't run when the truck's off. So I'm bummed about that. I was hoping it would stay on all the time, but not too bad. It does have the G-force sensors, so if you get hit, it'll automatically save that video or start a new loop or a recording or whatever. It does have a microphone, so it will pick up sounds. You do have the option to turn that off if you don't want it, and it does have timestamps. It does not have, at least from what I played around with, it doesn't seem to have the speed, the GPS speed. Maybe some more playing around, I'll figure that out, but not a bad little find. They did sponsor this video, but honestly, like, I couldn't be happier. I've been looking at like Garmin dash cams and all these others, and none of them like fit like this does. Like, this is sleek. I mean, it fits into the OEM part, so it's not noticeable. I thought I was gonna have to move my Pike Pass sticker. I didn't even have to move that because the camera is low enough to not cover it. And there is a button if you need to take a picture. You can there's a camera button, you hit that and you can take a picture. You don't have to turn it on or off. It turns on with the truck, turns off with the truck. This is literally a dummy proof camera. Like, you don't have to do much. You literally open the app when you first get it, connect to the Wi-Fi, change it to whatever name you want. I changed it to Sandworm Camera. Change the Wi-Fi password to the camera so nobody can get into it, and then mess with the settings. Like, I changed how the date appears and the video quality, and you do that, it's all good. And then the only other time you need to open the app is when you want to download a video. It does say to format the SD card every 2 to 3 months, which I have to do that with my GoPros, so that's nothing new. You know, filling those SDs with so many files over time, they just need reset. Pretty much is all formatting is going to do, is reset that SD card to operate like it's supposed to. And I'm excited about this because I can use this on the trails. I don't have to set up a GoPro. I can use this. It does 4K. I can bump it up to 4K quality when I'm on a trail, and I can pull those videos when I'm done, and there's that. But all we're gonna do now is we're going to drive the truck around, get some video footage to see how it looks. Now remember, I did say I bumped this down from 4K to the one below it just to save space on this SD card. So keep that in mind when you see this video, which from looking at it on the phone, it looks pretty good. So we're gonna get some daytime driving, and then I'm gonna pull it out at night and see what kind of, I don't know if it probably doesn't have night vision, but see how it looks at night with the headlights and everything. And you can bump up the exposure on this, but yeah, this was easy install. Now that I know what I'm doing, if somebody came to me and was like, can you install this? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it's easy. And that plastic pops off super easy. I will say, we'll see how durable and long lasting this camera is, but always keep your factory parts whenever you're replacing something, unless it's like suspension. Just keep factory stuff. You never know when you'll need to swap it back out, or if you sell the truck and you want to keep aftermarket stuff, it just makes it easy. But that's really it. I'm going to post some footage after this of the live view of the camera, but that's the video. Make sure you check out the link below. Check out the socials. A lot of you guys already go over to Instagram and message me and stuff, and I appreciate that. I'll answer any questions over there. Like, I'm not gatekeeping anything. Like, if you guys want to know anything about YouTube, the truck, you know, anything like that, I don't gatekeep. I'll answer whatever questions. So check out the socials. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway of a mechanic tool set. I'm gonna do one over here on YouTube, and then I'm gonna do one on Instagram to celebrate 2,000 subscribers. As of today, we're 400 away from it. So super stoked. Share this video, like this video, comment, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you stick around to check out the live view of this video of the dash cam, and get you one. Super simple install. It's great, but I will see you guys in the next video.